Assalamu alaikum, this is Ram Khan, and today I'm gonna explain you how to unbind with Jesse V1SE. Uh, this is the version is 16.1.2. This is 11 Pro. The same feature in V1S Pro and V1SE had the same feature, which is Jesse release check M check M8. This is just like a jailbreak before, as like we do with Chakra and iOS 14.1, 14.7. So I'm just gonna tell you that no need to purchase JC V1S Pro. Just unbind with JC V1SE. I'm gonna explain the whole procedure. Connect the Wi-Fi through a JC platform. Connect a Wi-Fi to the JC